so scrapping wise, let's say you had one of these. It's a shitty old game that might have not shitty sports game or something that doesn't have much value, maybe $1 or $2. Get one of these full of liquid damaged or so such bad shapes, not even worth selling. What you got is, for the gold recovery people, you have all the pins here, and you got the IC chips. Nice and simple. A little bit of gold inside here too. And people who don't do the recovery, they'd probably just pop this in their gold pin board pile, and that's pretty much it. Nice and simple. And like I said, let's say you do have a Mario Party, Mario whatever, or any of the very expensive games like Conker's Bad Fur Day or Worms Armageddon, these $100 games. Let's say the board or the chips are so badly damaged that it doesn't work anymore, but the covers are nice. You can actually probably sell those covers for a good value. So really, if you decide to ever scrap one of these things, it should only be sports games, because no one's going to try to fix them, and no one cares about the covers either. If you have something more valuable, someone might try to fix it or want the covers, the plastic cases, to fix up their copy. So that's pretty much my video. Just wanted to show you guys the difference in fakes. Like I said, the best thing to do when you're buying N64 games, pretty much the number one way to know if it's fake or not is to open it up. And this is quite important. Nice little, nice little bit here that opens up N64 games, Sega Genesis, Super Nintendo games, Nintendo games. There's a bigger socket for Sega Genesis games. It's right here. I use these quite often. This is also good for consoles. Not a bad idea to get one of these if you deal with video games a lot, or you're a collector and you want to check your games. Just grab one of these. So that's the end of my video. So like and subscribe. Here you go, one last shot.